Here we are, VANCE Hines Pro Pipe HS. Beautiful looking pipe. This particular one just basically on the car. We're not going to take it off the car because it's sold to a guy in Denmark. But as you can see, beautiful 2-into-1, very well made VANCE Hines, made in the States. There is actually a heat shield goes over here. As you can see, these are heat shields for the downpipes. Another heat shield goes on there, which is in this box here. Okay, so basically fantastic system, massive weight saving, bags of power. This one here is a 25111 VANCE Hines for a XV1900 Stratoliner, road liner, whatever you want to call it. XV1900 Midnight star in the UK. Okay, as you can see here, unusually for VANCE Hines, this has got a decent baffle in it. Okay, European models have a much better baffle. In America, that would be straight through. So this particular bike, because it's for Europe, they've obviously supplied it with a decent baffle in it. All your pro pipes, very good power, very good offers. We've got some cracking offers on these for C800s, VL8, C90s, etc. Give us a call, 01773 835 666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com. Our new website, www.customcruisers.eu, has got some special offers on exhausts and stuff, but there's not a lot of products on there yet, I'm afraid. Mainly Milwaukee 8, but for all your jack bikes and your offers, please check us out. Thank you.